ready?
Yeah.
Let's start with just laughing.
And we just do this continuously.
You just keep laughing, girl. You just keep laughing. I got some more exercises.
It's just funny. Initially, for me, it's hard to commit to it. So like,
Commit to it. Just commit. Let go. Let go, girl.
I'm trying. It gets in there sometimes.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Yay. The next one we're going to do is we're going to laugh like a motorcycle. So how you would imagine your motorcycle to sound, we're going to laugh like one. Ready? Ready? Go. Very good. Very good. Yay. The next one, what we're going to do is make silly faces at each other and laugh in between making these silly faces. Ready?
Okay.
Go.
Hold behind the boogers.
Very good. Very good. Yay. So, do you remember when we were young, we used to try to pretend we knew some pig Latin? Well, we're going to do something like that. We're going to speak gibberish and have a conversation as we're speaking gibberish. You ready?
Oh, yeah.
You
sound like a Sim. Who got it? Oops, it, apsa, lopsa, dopsa. Meat, moot, work, moot. Beat, work, moot, work.
Very good. Very good. Yay. The next one we're going to do is loud and soft laughter. So what we're going to do is make it loud and then soft and loud and then soft. You ready?
Okay.
Go. Very good. Very good. Yay. Now, the next one we're going to do is pretend we're having the funniest conversation on the cell phone that we've ever had in our life. And we're going to enjoy ourselves. Ready? Go.
today.
Very good. Very good. Yay. Okay. So this is one of the favorite ones. We're going to think about something that is really troubling us in our lives. It may be a job, it may be a supervisor, it may be your children, it may be finances, it may be your health. We're going to snatch its power away, and we're going to think about this problem and laugh all the tension away as we think about this problem. Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Oh, man.
Oh, very
Very
good.
good.
Very
Very
good.
good.
Yay. Now, we all have those moments where something is happening, and in our mind, we would really like to do something else that is more aligned with our villain time or our shadow time, right?
Mm.
So, what we're going to do is get our villain laugh on. We're going to think of a situation where we did the right thing and imagine we did the wrong thing. And then we're going to laugh and give the most wickedest laugh that you can give. This is your opportunity to get your villain laugh. Ready? Go.
Oh. Oh.
Very good. Very good. Yay.
Yay.
Okay, I want to take it back to one of our childhood classics. Do you remember Woody Woodpecker?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's laugh like Woody Woodpecker. Ready?
Okay.
Go. Okay.
Very good. Yay.
I don't know why that was so much fun. Got me
Really?
tearing up a little. Okay, speaking of tearing up a little bit, let's do some crying laughter. Where the first couple of minutes I have to fake it, but after that, I really am laughing. I start to tear up.
Mhm.
But crying laughter is where you pretend to cry and then you laugh. You pretend to cry and then you laugh. Ready? Go. All right, let's just do about 3 or 4 more and then we'll be done.
Okay.
Okay, so okay. Let's do mental flaws. It's so hard. Let's do mental flaws. So what we're going to do It's pretending like we're about to floss. Take out your floss pairs.
Okay.
Flip it. Now you have this piece of floss. You're
Mm-hmm.
gonna put it in one side in your ear and pull it out the other. And then
Okay.
as you floss, you're gonna laugh. Ready? Go.
You like
Very good. Very good. Very good.
Very good.
Yay. Okay. 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 So now what we're going to do is sneeze laughter. We're going to pretend to sneeze and then laugh. Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Okay. Two more. And then we're gonna
Okay.
ho ho clap clap out of here. Okay.
Okay.
The next one we're going to do is a yawn laugh. We're going to pretend to yawn and then laugh. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go.
So ready to Jesus. It is.
Okay, let's do one more,
Okay.
which is we're going to do a balloon blow. So we're going to pretend that we have a balloon and we're going to stretch it out. You know how when you have a balloon, you have to stretch it out a little bit. So we're going to fill it up. This one is mixed with deep breathing. So what we're going to do is take 4 inhales, right? We're going to pause for a second. Then we're going to take our balloon and put it in our mouth and blow it into the fake balloon. And we're going to do that 3 times. Ready? Then we're going to have this balloon filled with laughter air. Ready?
Got it.
So inhale to 4. Ready? Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. Now blow it into the balloon. 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. Blow it into the balloon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. Make it a big one so we can have all the air. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. Blow it into our balloon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have this big balloon full of laughter air. And what we're going to do is let it out in different sizes. You can let it out in small sizes, and that's a little chuckle, or you can let it out in big sizes and a full-blown laugh. And we'll alternate between the two. You ready? Go.
I'm gonna put my
You'll say.
I spit all over my computer. Sorry,
Okay, so before we clap out of here, I say we should laugh, give a really deep, deep, deep belly laugh to all the people in the world who said that chocolate people aren't beautiful, that our melanin isn't beautiful. Ready? Go! Silly girl, they silly.
Okay.
Let's ho clap out of here. Ready?
Okay.
Go. ho, ha ha ha, ho, 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 ho. On beat, ho,
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 ha ha ha, ho, ho,
ho,
ha,
ha, ha. You didn't teach me this part. Ho,
ho, ha ha ha, ho, ho, ha ha ha, ho, ho, ha ha ha. Speed up, ho, ho, ha ha ha, ho, ho, ha ha ha, ho, ho, ha ha ha, ho, ho, ha ha ha. Lose control, ha ha ha, ho, ho, ha ha ha, ho, ho, ha ha ha, ho, ho,